A lot going on. We got the pasta going, the last of the chicken parm. He's now cleaned up his little workstation. We have those resting. Good job, babe. What he's gonna do is he's gonna dredge the chicken through the dredging station that we have set up, and he's gonna put it on this wax paper right here. It's flour with salt and pepper, some eggs with some heavy cream, and then breadcrumbs, Italian style breadcrumbs with extra Italian seasoning in it. So you go in the flour first, then the egg bath, and then the breadcrumbs. Is this like a shallow fry?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, now we're gonna fry up the chicken. What, do 2 at a time?
That's all it can handle.
Yeah, 2 at a time. That looks beautiful.
Here I'm shredding up some Parmesan cheese. This is going to be for the bread and the chicken.
Here, give me 2 seconds. There.
A lot going on. We got the pasta going, the last of the chicken parm. I have shredded some parm cheese that he's now putting on top of the chicken that's resting.
We have store-bought Marinera that we're just going to doctor up.
Garlic powder?
Yeah, garlic powder. Doctoring is what I'm doing. Because I usually do this with my own.
Is that onion powder?
Onion powder. Now I have to use the new Italian seasoning. Pull this shit off. Ooh, that's probably too much.
Yeah, it's a lot. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. So some mozzarella on top of the parm.
You got it. No.
Oh, this is going to be good. With that sauce. Mm-hmm. I love these bag salads. Oh my God, they're so convenient.
They're usually pretty good too.
Yeah, they're good. It's the dressing. The dressing is really good.
Good?
Good. Can I just put the top on? Good to go.
Where's the mutts go here? I'm gonna put mutts on top. You do that?
Yeah.
Means we have to get another one.
No, it sounds good. We have the chicken parm in the oven at a low temperature. We have the sauce done, ready to go. Pasta's done, and we made a salad to go with this. We also have some cheesy garlic bread to go. We just have to heat everything up, and then we're gonna be ready to eat.
I'm moving things.
Yeah, you are.
And okay with that.
Let me know when you're ready. Because we're going to... Cha-dink. Oh, you got a big bite. He's got a big bite.
I ain't playing around.
Cha-dink.
Yeah, sure.
Cha-dink.
Dink.
Babe, that's good. Oh my God. That is fantastic. Ooh, baby. Good job.